Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into something unique and futuristic, the Toyota Urban Rickshaw. This compact, efficient, and eco-friendly three-wheeler is set to revolutionize urban mobility. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. The Toyota Urban Rickshaw is a modern take on the traditional auto rickshaw, designed for congested city streets. Unlike conventional models, this rickshaw integrates advanced technology, improved efficiency, and a sleek, futuristic design. It's built for short-distance urban travel, offering a sustainable alternative for public transport. Toyota introduced this concept to address the rising demand for affordable and efficient city commuting. With increasing urban congestion and pollution, the need for low-emission vehicles became critical. Toyota's innovation combines the practicality of an auto rickshaw with the reliability of their automotive engineering. The rickshaw is expected to launch in markets where three-wheelers are already a primary mode of transport. When it comes to the country that uses and sells it the most, India tops the list. The country has millions of rickshaws operating daily, making it a perfect market for Toyota's modernized version. Southeast Asian nations like Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines are also expected to adopt the Toyota Urban Rickshaw due to their heavy reliance on three-wheelers for urban mobility. The popularity of this rickshaw is already gaining traction. With its promise of low emissions, high efficiency, and smart features, many ride-hailing and public transport services are eager to integrate it into their fleets. Governments supporting green transportation initiatives are also looking at this as a viable solution for sustainable city travel. Performance-wise, Toyota has equipped the Urban Rickshaw with an electric or hybrid powertrain, delivering smooth acceleration and a noise-free ride. It offers better handling and a more stable structure compared to conventional auto rickshaws. The lightweight yet durable design ensures agility while navigating through city traffic. Fuel efficiency is a major highlight. If it's fully electric, it will boast zero emissions and a long battery range, making it ideal for daily operations. The hybrid variant, if available, will ensure an extended range while consuming minimal fuel. This efficiency translates into cost savings for drivers and operators. In terms of capabilities, the Toyota Urban Rickshaw is designed to carry passengers comfortably while maintaining a compact form factor. Some models may also offer cargo space, catering to urban delivery services. Key features include a digital dashboard, GPS navigation, smart connectivity, and safety enhancements like better braking and stability control. The modern aesthetics and enclosed cabin design provide a more comfortable and weatherproof experience for passengers. Price-wise, Toyota aims to keep it competitive with existing rickshaws, ensuring affordability for both individual buyers and fleet operators. Its long-term savings on fuel and maintenance make it a wise investment. The selling points are clear: futuristic design, eco-friendly powertrain, affordability, and enhanced safety. It's a game-changer for urban transport, combining Toyota's reliability with next-generation mobility solutions. That's all for today. What do you think about the Toyota Urban Rickshaw? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting auto reviews. See you in the next video.